it's Alex Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties and your host of the Best Place Awards. Today we're down in Park Potomac with Sarah, the owner of Pooch Portraits. So tell us a little bit about the business. How did you get started with Pooch Portraits and what do you guys do?
So I work pretty exclusively with dogs now. I've been doing it for about a year, and I started out in photography doing newborns, but I decided that babies weren't really for me. So now I stick to four-legged critters, and I do dogs, cats.
Well, and today we brought Spink, and Spink, come over here. No, say hi to Sarah.
I guess.
No, he's done.
No, he's over.
This is Spink, and he's my dog, and he's going to be the subject of our portraits today.
So it's really important to me to capture the spirit of the animal and their true essence and their unique personality. And the way I do that is I set up a studio and we pick the color backdrops with the client, and it's really catered to their dog's personality. Whether your dog be enthusiastic like a bright red or more mellow like a neutral gray, the studio gives me the ability to really connect with the animal and capture those personality moments. Typically my clients leave with a piece of wall art, whether it be an acrylic or a framed piece of wall art. I also offer canvases. I really want something that they can look at every day and really remember why they invested in the session and how much they love their pet, and I hope it makes them smile. So
that's right. Well, I mean, ultimately, people are pet lovers, right? And that's why they come to you, right?
Yep,
because
totally.
They want to commemorate and honor that beloved member of their family,
yes.
And put up a beautiful picture that you produce for them on the wall. So because of your unique flair on photography and focusing specifically on pets, we have a Spotlight Series winner for Pooch Portrait Studios. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank
you. Looking for more BPA winners? Visit bestplaceaward.com. Searching for homes nearby? Visit our sponsor, Alex Saenger, at alexsaenger.com.